Ano tayo guys? Hihihi. Okay guys, kung may mag-tutorial tayo. And that will happen now. Okay guys, next. Ano ba naman? Guys, so balik tayo guys. Ayun na ako naman balik. Hulog na lang kaya tayo guys. Ayan guys, nahulog. Wait lang guys. Guys, di ba maraming dots? Yun guys, maganda yun pa guys. Okay, so bye guys! Mwah! See you in next video. Bye! Ayun ito, nakabot natin ng 2 minutes. Yan, 2 minutes na ba?